Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to dive into this powerful AI website and create a very short review about the pros and cons about this powerful website called Craiyon. So Craiyon is a perfect experimenting with AI art and creating lightweight image. Don't expect photorealism here, but you will be surprised by its quick and creation. And here it takes. It's a fantastic tool for beginners and those looking for a lightweight way to experiment with AI art. While the image quality isn't always a top-notch, it's hard to complain when it's free. And here the key benefit of this about this platform, which is it is very simple interface. Even a child could use it. No cost to use, perfect for beginners, and is great for creating nemesis or Homer's image. And the pricing tags are very simple and friendly. You can check the website. They have the free plan, the supporters plan, the professional plan, and the enterprise plan. And here's the pros and cons about this platform, which is the pro state is absolutely free, easy to learn and use, and it's look for quick and fun image generation. Now, the downside about this platform is the image quality is not the best and also can struggle with the complex prompt. Can also generate the public image by default, and that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this powerful AI website called Craiyon. Thank you.